Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the travel funds in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flight button. And then click on the check travel funds button. So first you have to give your confirmation number, then the passenger's first name and the passenger's last name. And then just click on the look up funds button to see it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.